Socrative is a great way to get instant feedback from the students. I showed the exit ticket in the staff meeting. There are also quick questions. Socrative can do a lot more than that, but I wouldn't use it because Canvas can give us that without having to create classes and all that. It's already all there in Canvas. So Socrative does a few really interesting extra things. You can sign in with Google, choose your account, and if you don't have an account, it'll quickly make one for you, and that's it. And for the only one setup thing you really need to do is your room. So 3 little bars and go to your rooms, and you want to add a room. The free version doesn't let you add more than 1 room, but you only need 1 room. So I've named my room Burson, but you can name your room anything you like. Just click on the pencil and rename it. That room name is what students are going to put in when you want them to do an activity. So if I go back to the launch site, the exit ticket is what I showed you. There are quizzes, and Space Race is kind of fun. I can show you another time, but this is one that takes absolutely no setup. You log in and you click exit ticket. Now the students on their side, they just go to Socrative Student and type in that name in caps. It automatically comes up in caps, and they join that room. They need to put in their name, so if you know them pretty well, you can allow them to use a nickname. So this is about getting a very quick feedback at the end of your lesson. The questions never change. It's an exit ticket, so how well did you understand the lesson objectives, the success criteria that we put up on the front? Totally got it, and as soon as that answer is submitted, I get the response over here. If I want to show the students what everybody else thought, I can take away the names. What did you learn in today's class? They could write a whole lot about that. And the last one is always left open. Please answer the teacher's question. So I'll write the question on the board, or I'll just ask verbally the question, how many strings do you play for the G chord? Answer, submit, done. So then I have quickly, and the kids are gone. When you're finished and you'll have a whole class's worth of information, you can decide to get the reports, have a look at it right there. So getting the reports will download it for you, or you could just go forget the whole deal and go back to launch, and I've seen everything I need to see. So if you want to get the reports, you can download it, you can go straight to your Google Drive, and then you can see what kids have written. But I find it's a really good way to get instant feedback from the kids, and you could refer back to it later. The thing you have to remember about Socrative is that you have to start the activity and finish the activity. So they won't be able to just go in and enter your room name at any given time and start to do an activity. They can do that with Canvas if you set it up that way, but with Socrative it's meant to be on the spot. So I showed you the exit ticket. The other thing you can do is just go for a quick question. Again, it's no setup. You just start that activity. So my students join the room, and then I ask my question. My statement, the sky is blue. It's a matter of opinion on a rainy day, and so there instantly I get that. So I can continue to ask questions, and I just get sort of instant feedback from the class to see in general what everybody's thinking and what the percentages of what kids are thinking. So you can do that with multiple choice, true, false, short answer, and again, it's no setup. It's just open up Socrative, sign in, click the button, students enter the room name, and then you're off. So Socrative can be a really good way to get instant information, data that you can keep and use, or data that you can share with the kids and they can instantly see what they and their classmates are thinking.